really sick. I'm not allowed to ride it, which is pretty much a tease, and it makes me sad. I'm not allowed to ride it. This channel, which is United Fanatics. And because safety purposes, like I said, they can't find this on YouTube.